People sometimes ask, if you file bankruptcy, who's going to find out about it? They're worried about their family, their neighbors. Well, I'm bankruptcy attorney Stuart Sandweiss, and I'm here to tell you that unless you tell people about it, chances are they will not find out about it. Now, why do I say that? Well, when you file bankruptcy, there's really only a couple times when it's becomes so-called public. Yes, they are listed in the legal news, but most people don't read the legal news. You have to appear at a 341 meeting of creditors, but unless you've got a creditor who is a friend or someone who's going to get noticed because they're a creditor, they're not going to find out and they're not going to come. The credit card companies don't care. The mortgage companies, they don't care. If you're worried about friends and relatives and so forth, unless you tell them about it, they're not going to know. The only other time that you really have to appear publicly is in a Chapter 13 case when you have what's called a confirmation hearing, when we confirm a plan how you're going to repay your creditors either in part or in full. Then you may have to appear. And again, the only people who are there are attorneys or other people who are filing bankruptcy. So there's really nothing to be afraid of. There's nothing to be embarrassed about. And really, unless you tell people, nobody's going to know about it. I'm going to tell you a story that I heard. People were talking, they were in the bowling alley, and they're busy, a bunch of people are talking, and they're talking about a particular individual, and they're saying how wonderful this individual was doing financially. Well, I happen to know that the person was in bankruptcy, but of course, I'm not going to tell them that. So it goes to that far. Their friends didn't know about it. They thought this person was doing great, yet at the same time, they were trying to get their fresh start. If you got any questions about bankruptcy and so forth, please feel free to shoot me an email, give me a call, and I'll be glad to get back to you.